How to join WhatsApp group with a link. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, what I'm going to show you guys is how you're easily able to join WhatsApp group with a link. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to join a WhatsApp group with the link, then you need to have contact with the WhatsApp group's admin because only the admin is able to invite anyone with their group link. So once you contact your WhatsApp admin of the group and they will send you this WhatsApp link like this. Now you just have to tap on the link and it will show you a little info about the group, and then it will show you when it was created and by whom it was created. So you just have to tap on join group. And once you do that, you can just view group like this and you should be able to join the group easily. Now you can send any message you want here. And that's how you easily join a WhatsApp group with a link. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.